Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing. It is a what TF did I order? I don't know what's in it. It was just delivered from FedEx. And I did not expect a delivery today. So y'all, let's find out together. Alrighty. Thank you so much for returning to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome to my new subscribers as well. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. I see something red, y'all. Ooh, it's cuter in person. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I see a couple flaws already, but nothing on the front. Let's inspect it together to see what we got. Okay, so right away, oh, let me just introduce it first. I believe it's just a zip, and the color, it looks brighter than tomato, but it is definitely red. And I'm already seeing some things that I did not see online. So all of these pin marks, I don't remember seeing those online. I'll have to go back and look at the pictures. Good thing is that they're under the bottom. There's one on the edge. Are they pin marks or is it something that may rub off? It may rub off, y'all. I'm definitely going to try to see if I can get it rubbed off, but I don't really see any wear on the edges. This one has a little bit of a bump there, but not so much. And that, it kind of looks like I can rub that off. That doesn't really look like ink. These look more like ink, but again, I'm still going to try to rub it, clean it, and see if it comes off. Like even this, see that disappeared. So that we may have a cleaner person, I think. Let's take a look at the back. And y'all, if I recall correctly, I think this purse was about $20 on eBay. So mainly so far just the bottom part. Now this is the part that I did not realize. Oh, look at the handles first before we get into these zippers that are missing pull tabs. Handles look good. I did not notice these missing, the pull tabs. So I will either put leather pull tabs on here or probably find some cute gold rings and put a tab on those. So I'm gonna see. That's an easy fix. It's gonna be a little harder to get into now, but this is a zip since it has these two zippers and they go all the way down the sides. How did I miss that? Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and double check. Okay, the shoulder strap is in here, but this doesn't look like the original shoulder strap right away. They did provide an authentication. Oops, the name is on there. An authentication certificate. So that's good. So let's see, y'all. Okay, the pull tabs are inside. This is different. Let me bring it a little bit closer so you all can see. Bring it down some. So the pull tabs are inside, connected to the shoulder strap, which this is definitely not an original shoulder strap, but at least I have the pull tabs, because I had already came up with the remedy for not having the pull tabs. Or is it just one? So this is one. Let's see if the other one's in there. No, so just one so far. This strap is not the strap that came with the bag. It's definitely something that they added. And it has some peeling there, so I'll put that to the side. But I'm glad to have one pull tab. I could technically get away with just one, because with it being a zip, if I were to just leave this one down here and then just zip this one all the way over, that would work. So I may do that. That would save me some time. But I wonder why they didn't try to put this one back on. I'm going to try. Let's finish inspecting. Okay, so the Dooney and Bourke red leather logo patch there. Lint inside of there, but not really dirty. Clean there as well. It's lint inside. So overall, y'all, I would say it's not too bad. It does have the key keeper, the Dooney and Bourke label there. And two slip pockets here, one bigger than the other on the front side of the purse. But, I mean, looking at the front and the back, I'm not mad. There's some dust there. So, I'm thinking if I give this a good scrubbing, I'm going to try Dawn first to see if these rub off. Because I have a feeling that they will. Even if I have to try like a little bitty soft toothbrush. Whatever I can try without messing up the Saffiano. And this is red Saffiano. That's why I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter red, like the tomato. So I'm not sure what color red this is. It's deeper than the tomato. But overall, I am not mad at this purchase, especially for $20. And I'm going to have to just try to work. Okay, so this one is lifted more. So that one, maybe they lost that one first and just took this one off. I don't know, but it should stay on this one easier. But it's going to be harder for me to get it on here. So, since this one is already raised, I should be able to get it on. Let me make sure this doesn't come off. Get it on this one first, or easiest. So it went on there pretty easy. And then I can just get probably some pliers and press it down to be sure it doesn't slip back off. So let's see how it works with it as is. It is a tight zipper. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure I get some pliers and squeeze that back down, because I don't want to lose the only tab I have left. So I'm not mad at that. I still may put a gold loop on here just in case, But at least I have one pull tab. I don't think that looks bad. As soon as I secure that, I'll feel much better about not losing this one too. But let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think this was an okay deal for $20? At least the flaws for now are on the bottom near the feet. But I am looking forward to getting some cleaner to seeing how much of this will come off or if it's actual ink pen marks. But again, it's under the bottom. I really don't care. The front and the back are good. And I do not have a solid red Saffiano leather purse like this. I have Florentine, but not Saffiano. So I am actually happy with my purchase. And looking forward to pairing some accessories with it. I don't really have, let me see what I have near. Oh yeah, I can do a comparison so I can show y'all the tomato. I still have my tomato rosy right here to show you the differences in these reds. I don't know how it'll come up on camera, but this is tomato in the Saffiano. And this, like I said, I'm gonna have to research to find out which red this is compared to the tomato. This is a much deeper red. This is like an actual red. But the tomato is lighter. And I hope you all can tell. Let me try turning my light off. See if that helps you all to see the differences. Or if you all think it's the same or pretty close, let me know as well. But I can see a slight difference in it. Let's see if I have an accessory that will be cute with it. That could go. It's gonna definitely brighten that up. If I wasn't cutting it out of the shot. So that's cute. But I mean, with red, you have a lot of options on accessories to pair it with. So I'm looking forward to seeing what goes with it, how I can mix and match. I don't have my other excuse me, I don't have my other cosmetic case with me, but it gives you an idea. Red, you can pair it with almost anything. So, well, really anything. But that's it, y'all. This is my what TF did I order. It ended up being a Dooney and Bourke zip in the color red, Saffiano leather, and a little bit of flaws, but we're going to work with it. I mean, I think it was definitely a good find, and I'm looking forward to carrying it. It's definitely a purse that can be easily dressed up an outfit, or you can wear it with a dress down outfit as well. So thank you all for watching, commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a wonderful day.